How to find a lost Windows device. Cannot find your Windows laptop or tablet? No need to worry. If you have enabled a helpful option called Find My Device. Table of contents. If you cannot find your Windows laptop or tablet, Microsoft has a feature called Find My Device that can help you can pinpoint its position via an on-screen map on Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can then lock the device, have it emit a sound or send a message to the screen. If you have a desktop PC, this feature can be helpful during a move or other transition. In addition to finding one of your own devices, you can locate devices registered to other people in your Microsoft family. The main requirement is that you need a Microsoft account to sign into your device and to track its location. Here how this all works. PC Mac recommended Windows accessories. Set up Find My Device in Windows 10. In Windows 10, go to Setting, into Update and Security, into Find My Device. For more information, click the Learn More link at the bottom of this page. If the feature is currently disabled, you shall see a line that says Find My Device is off. Click the Change button. A small window pops up with a setting that says Save My Device Location. Periodically click the switch to change that setting from off to on. Below the change button, you may see a message that says your device location setting is turned off, so tracking this device will not work. If so, click the turn on the location setting link. At the location screen, click the change button and turn on the switch for location access to this device. Set up Find My Device in Windows 11. If you want to turn Find My Device on Windows 11, head to Setting, Privacy and Security, Find My Device, and make sure the switch text to Find My Device is enabled. For more information, click the Get Help link on this page. The Find My Device feature requires that location setting be enabled. To make sure the location setting is turned on, go to Setting, into Privacy and Security and Location. Turn on the switch for location services if it's turned off. Find a missing device. Now let's say you are stuck in a situation where your device is missing and you need to find out where it's hiding. To track down your device, sign into your Microsoft account site and head to the devices page. Here you will see all the Windows devices connected to your account. If Find My Device is on, you will see each device's last recorded location. Don't worry if the page shows an older location and date for a device. That information will be updated when you ping the device. If the missing device is turned on, simply click Find My Device. A page pops up showing you to date, address and map, pinpointing the device location using your mouse wheel or trackpad or the zoom buttons on the map. You can zoom in or out to see the location up close or get a wider bird eye view. You can also pan the map with your mouse. Click the Find button under an entry to update the device location. The map and last location are updated to reflect the current whereabouts of your device.